Hi Michael, this is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier, and as mentioned, I have a quick 5-minute video that just is going to give you some options for how to get more leads coming to your website, as well as go over your overall online presence with you, okay? To start, I do have a background in digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks for 3 specific things when ranking different websites on their platform. Number one, and probably the most important for organic movement on that Google platform, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. I see you have a little bit on every section, but in general, you don't have a lot of content. Let me tell you why content is so important. Anytime you do a Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always the #1 search option. Why? It's because it has so much content, okay? So every few weeks, Google sweeps the internet and finds these content-rich sites and naturally just starts shoveling them to the top of the Google platform. So my recommendation, based on some research of other carpet cleaning businesses that are on page 1 in your area, I'm going to suggest about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your home page alone. By doing this, you're going to allow yourself to be found by Google, as well as keyword stuff, that content with appropriate keywords to get you found in your business, okay? Next, for every additional service that you offer, we typically recommend between 5 and 750 words per additional page. So why is that important? So it gives you content, right? And so getting a lot more rich content to your site. Every page has good quality content, and it gives you the appropriate keywords to put in there. So again, anytime someone searches for carpet cleaning in your area or for carpet repair, tile and grout cleaning, we can have appropriate keywords so you can be found on multiple search platforms. I'm going to take you real quick here to Ahrefs, and that just shows me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet right now. As you can see, you're only getting about 2 people coming to your visit or to your website every month. And that's probably for a few reasons. One, again, content isn't pushing you to the top. And your keywords, you're not ranking for a ton. You are ranking appropriately for the ones that you do have. Let's have a look here. But as you can see, for even Michael's carpet cleaning, you're on page 2. You're at number 12. So with that said, we need to get these keywords put into your website in more places, kind of have more content-rich keywords. That way Google can find you easier, okay? The more it finds those keywords in your text, the more it gives you and your website influence to move up. Next, let's talk about backlinks and referring domains. A backlink, in case you don't know, is anywhere that your website is on a different business's website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting good quality trusted sites that have a lot of influence is going to shovel that influence to your site as well, causing this DR to go up. Next, let's talk about the UR. This is citations, and a citation takes us here to this Google My Business or Google Map. And a citation is what is going to secure these top positions. So what we recommend is getting a lot of citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number shows up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. By doing that, you're going to secure a top position here on the GMB. And in doing so, you're going to drive this UR number up. Now, Google loves both of these to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. When you achieve that, then Google gives you stability, meaning you're not going to have these big dips here in your business, and you're going to actually stay pretty stable with your location on that Google platform. So people aren't going to be able to bump you out of that position very easily. So just to finish up, I wanted to show you competition in your area. This is Carpet Cleaning San Antonio, and as you can see, they're getting about 400 people to their website every month. Again, the number of keywords that they're ranking for is important, because the more keywords you rank for and have in your text in your website, the more opportunity you have as a business to get in front of people and to be found. Also, they have significantly more backlinks and domains, but I wanted to show you here how unstable they are. So as you can see, they've had a lot of fluctuation, even as of today in the last 3 months, because these numbers are not a 1-to-1 ratio, right? So getting those numbers to a 1-to-1 ratio is kind of like what we call the golden ticket. So again, showing you that it is completely possible to outrank your competition by doing these things, by getting good quality content on your web page, 750 words on every additional service page with keywords, 1,500 words on your home page alone. This allows you to be found, and this is going to give you probably the biggest boost on that Google platform, getting more citations, coming to the top of that GMB and securing that spot, and then getting a lot more referring domains and backlinks, driving this DR number up. Well, Michael, I hope this was good information for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Just let me know what you thought of this video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.